everybody, I'm Eric Bowling. Welcome to the Eric Bowling Motorsports YouTube channel. Today, I'm here to talk to you guys about how to get product sponsorship for your racing operation. It doesn't matter how large your operation is. It doesn't have to be big. It can be small. You could drive your car to the track. You don't have to have a stacker trailer. You could race locally every weekend, or you could travel every weekend. Kind of your choice. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to take you through a series of steps, the same steps that I took to obtain sponsorships from some of the best, biggest companies in the game today. Mickey Thompson Tires, AFCO Racing Shocks, IRD Carbs, Cometic Gasket, Nitrous Express, Wiley X Sunglasses, just to name a few. I'm here to help you obtain some product sponsorship to help you get to the track every weekend. And today we're going to start with step number one. Step number one is make a list. Simple. Get a piece of paper and a pencil and write down on that piece of paper a list of things that you need for the 2024 racing season. It doesn't have to be all automotive related, parts related, or anything like that. Think of anything that you could use at the racetrack during the season and jot it down on a piece of paper. Tires, shocks, oil, sunscreen, bug spray, a cooler for your drinks. It doesn't matter. Just write it all down on a piece of paper. Why? Because we have to have a goal of what we're looking to get for 2024. Make sure you have every single thing that you can think of on this list. And on my next video, I'm going to show you what to do with that list, and we'll go on from there. So stay tuned for step number 2 on my next video. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.